You people, I prepare my squeeze orange juice. I make maybe 4 or 5, maybe 5. Because small is not big. I have to wash this one first, people. I have to wash this one first. Very sweet, people. Okay, very sweet. Look at that. The color is very yellow. I have also here, people, the young coconut. Maybe I will also cut this one. Very old. The coconut is not young. It's not young. We have many this one, people, in the farm, in the farm. Ay, very strong. Very strong, people. Look at that. You have the smell. Very good, the smell of the orange. Finish na. We have here. This one, people, is enough. It's okay. Very good. Very good, the orange juice, people, you can drink. I like this one, my coconut. I don't know how to cut this one, my coconut. My kitchen, people, very easy. Like the kitchen, very easy. I make 6 pieces orange. And this is the appetizer. I am very strong woman, old woman. Not easy, people. I drink the water of the coconut. But this is very old, I think. People, very old, the coconut. Very old. Oh. No, it's when the cutting is like that. Very strong, people, huh? Be careful. I check the water. One year now. Drink first, kay thirsty. In Europe, people, no plantation coconut. No plantation coconut. In my bukid, people, mini coconut. This one, mini coconut. This is very good. You can drink this one and the water is delicious. The water. Look at the water. It's good, the water. The water is okay. Water. Can mix this one, can eat. Move little bit. Yes, true. Dangerous. Dangerous people. I am afraid. My hands is when I make like that. It pressing. That is already open. Can eat people. Can eat. Can eat na people. This is my simple snack because I have to clean the house people because it's not yet cleaning. I eat this one. This one. My coconut. And my drinks. I have here my cake. My dessert people. This is my breakfast. Breakfast. I have to clean the house. I have to make it hurry because after we went to grocery. Kina can eat. Can eat the meat of coconut people. You can eat like that. With the bread. There. It's okay. Very simple people. It's okay. I have this. My stomach, they said, I upload the video people very long because here no signal. 3 hours. I upload for 10 minutes, I think 10 minutes plus 3 hours, very long. The way My card load not enough because we are in the mountain. Never mind. The meat. Okay, people. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my viewers and outsider viewers. And of course to my beloved subscriber, I love you very much. Thank you. I love you all. Abiento.